Hi everyone, it's Alyssa, and today I am going to show you how to make a Dutch braid if you have never braided before. While no experience is required to make this style, I recommend you see all my other videos to learn many different styles. As always, make sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We're going to begin with a small section of hair, and we're going to split it into 3 equal sections. It's important to notice how I begin the braid by positioning my fingers like this. 4 fingers on one hand hold strand 1, my pincher fingers hold on to strand 2, and the pincher fingers on my other hand hold on to strand 3. I'm going to turn my wrist out to bring strand 1 underneath strand 2, and use my pincher fingers to grab strand 1 with my other hand. We're now going to relabel our strands. Let's take our pincher fingers under strand 2 and grab onto strand 3. Use your other hand to pull strand 2 over strand 3. You're going to keep repeating these steps until you've braided as far as you would like. If your hair is thin enough, I recommend a small elastic pony. You're going to pinch your hair with your middle pointer finger and thumb and pull the pony around. If you don't know how to put in a pony, make sure to check out my video on how to put in a basic ponytail. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video on how to make a basic Dutch braid. For more video inspiration, make sure to check out my Instagram at braid.inspiration on Instagram.